A man installs a new smart speaker in his home. He enjoys how it responds to commands and plays his favorite music. One night, while lying in bed, he asks the speaker to play white noise to help him sleep. As the soothing sound fills the room, he starts to drift off. But then, he notices something off. Beneath the white noise, there's a faint rhythmic sound, like someone breathing. He listens closely. It's not coming from him. Confused, he asks the speaker, "Who's breathing?" The speaker responds in a flat voice, "I'm not breathing. You are." The breathing sound grows louder, now coming from directly beside him.